Welcome to Wood-Fired Pizza Test, where we test out unique pizza toppings and recipes in our wood-fired oven. Today we're making a kale and ricotta pizza. This is a pretty simple pizza with only a few ingredients, but that's part of what makes it so good. Along with the kale and ricotta, the pizza is topped with olive oil, mozzarella, garlic, and Parmesan cheese. We also made one version of this with the tomato sauce and one without. First, we need to prepare the kale by tossing it with salt, garlic, and olive oil in a large cast iron skillet, and then we can head out to the oven. We'll put the kale in the doorway of the oven to cook it down a little bit, making sure to rotate the pan and mix up the kale occasionally. Once the kale is cooked, we can take it out of the oven and head inside to assemble the pizza. We first stretch out the dough and then we add a small layer of tomato sauce. The tomato sauce is just a blend of fresh tomatoes, basil, and salt. Next, we add a heaping layer of our cooked kale, then a small amount more of fresh garlic. We then add a small amount of mozzarella, followed by some Parmesan. Lastly, we add a bunch of ricotta cheese. This is the star of the pizza, so layer it on as much as you want. After that, we can head out to the oven with our pizza. We made a second version of the pizza without the sauce, which is what you're seeing here. Overall, we love these pizzas. The simplicity and the freshness of the ingredients made this a very light pizza and easy to eat. I think I enjoyed the one with the sauce a little more because of that little extra moisture the tomatoes give, but both versions were really nice. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed it.